stop memorizing. So understanding average like this. So what is average? What is the formula of average? So simply, so using this formula, we will find out any average sums. So what is average? So average is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations by number of observations. So simply it is denoted average is equal to sum by number. Okay, and also you have to find out the total value, means sum, using this same formula. Sum is equal to average into number. So using the total value of the given data. So this is a formula. So by using this formula, so you have to find out any average sums. Okay, we'll see one best example of this average. The average of 30 numbers is 12. The average of first 20 is of them is 11, and that of the next 9 is 10. Then the last number is 1. So total 30 numbers are there. Their averages are given. Okay, you have to find out the last number. See here, the average of 30 numbers. Average of 30 numbers is 12. So that is means, so here the formula is what? Sum is equal to average into number. Average into number. So observe here, here the sum means here the 30 numbers. 12 is the average. 12 into 30, that is 360. So same formula you have to observe here, the average of 20, first 20. Average of first 20 numbers. First 20 numbers is, so then sum is what? Sum is equal to here 11 into 20. So that is 220. The same way the next and the next 9 numbers. So average of 9 numbers. 9 numbers is, that is 10. So their sum is what? So 10 into 9 numbers, that is 90. So you are asking what here the last number is what? So total 29 numbers average is given and 30 numbers average is given. So then subtract 30 numbers average minus 29 numbers average. We get the last number. So last number is equal to, so 30 numbers average, that is 360 minus sum of the, here the 29 numbers average, that is 220 plus 90. So that is equal to 360 minus 220 plus 90, 310. That is equal to 50. So the last number average is 50. Okay, this is a simple, very most important. So they are given this type of questions in railway exams and soft selection commissions. So this is a most important question based on the averages. Okay, so if you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.